Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your iPhone 14 Pro. So to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here click on the search, go for the search pool right here, enter your name for Google Classroom. Here select this app, click on Get, install. When the installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use, allow, and then press on the plus button right here, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.